This is when you take it out, so you can level it up. So today we're gonna test out this door dollies that are really useful when you're in installation and you're by yourself. You gotta carry a door. And so the nice thing about this, it has levelers so you can adjust the height. You clamp your door and you unscrew it. You clamp it on both sides, you lock it in place, and then you unscrew it, and later you can just move them, release them. So now we're gonna show you guys how this is used. So basically when you're installing a door, this is what we do all the time. You slide it in, one, then you slide in the other one on the other side, and then you clamp it here to hold it. Yeah. Okay. Ready? That's it. Okay, now that we have it, now we have it to the height of the door. Now you go ahead and clamp it so it doesn't move on you. You lock it in place so it doesn't move. Then you adjust the other one. We're gonna raise it up.
Never mind. No,
One, two, three. You grab them all, you move the pins. And then when you're by yourself, then you have to move the door. Just slide it out. See how easy it is? Go there around. Bring it back. And this is so if you're installing by yourself, just put it back in there. Raise it up a little bit.
There goes.
That's it. Put the pins back in. One, two. Three. That's it. Slide it down a little bit. You remove it out. Alrighty, there we go.